Spoon. Spoon. A utensil used for eating or serving food. Example, he stirred the soup with a spoon. Fork. Fork. A utensil with prongs used for eating. Example, she picked vegetables with a fork. Knife. Knife. A sharp tool used for cutting. Example, he sliced the bread with a knife. Ladle. Ladle. A large spoon used for serving soup. Example, she served soup with a ladle. Spatula. Spatula. A flat tool used for flipping food. Example, he flipped pancakes with a spatula. Whisk. Whisk. A tool used for beating or mixing. Example, she whisked the eggs for the cake. Grater. Grater. A tool used to shred food. Example, he grated cheese with a grater. Peeler. Peeler. A tool used to remove skin from vegetables. Example, she peeled the carrot with a peeler. Strainer. Strainer. A tool used to remove water from food. Example, he strained the pasta with a strainer. Tongs. Tongs. A tool used to hold or turn food. Example, she picked up bread with tongs. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. A tool used to flatten dough. Example, he rolled the dough with a rolling pin. Cutting board. Cutting board. A board used for chopping food. Example, she cut vegetables on the cutting board. Measuring cup. Measuring cup. A cup used to measure ingredients. Example, he measured milk with a measuring cup. Colander. Colander. A bowl with holes to drain water. Example, he drained boiled vegetables with a colander. Chopsticks. Chopsticks. A pair of sticks used for eating food. Example, she ate noodles with chopsticks. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. A tool used for grinding spices. Example, he crushed garlic with a mortar and pestle. Can opener. Can opener. A tool used to open cans. Example, she opened the can with a can opener. Bottle opener. Bottle opener. A tool used to open bottles. Example, he opened the bottle with a bottle opener. Skimmer. Skimmer. A tool used to remove food from hot oil or water. Example, she lifted fried food with a skimmer. Baking tray. Baking tray. A flat tray used in the oven. Example, he placed cookies on the baking tray. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.